Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware. Just showing you real quick the difference between the round, smooth, pretty stones and the smaller, coarse, square stones. When you drive a golf cart on the sharp stones, they compact and lock together and act like road gravel. A lot of folks in this complex here have taken and done the prettier, maybe the lesser expensive round stones, and it's like sand. No matter what happens, they never compact and become a solid surface. And you drive on them, it's like going through sand on a beach that just parts ways, so it's difficult. So the only lesson here is when you put stones around your complex or around your building to drive your golf cart on, get sharp stones, don't buy round stones. See, sharper, jagged stones lock together. When weight gets on them, they lock together so they don't move. You get a round stone like a pea stone or the rounder stones you're going to see, we're going to show you, they don't lock in. So even after they've been down a long time, these stones all lock together. You can't move them when you're on them. Now we'll show you some round stones and we'll see what I'm talking about. Looking at what a lot of people do, they stone their front yard because it is so difficult to take and grow grass here. See, these round stones here never compact and never get hard enough to drive on. After these have been down a long time, when you walk on them, they never really get firm. So the golf cart drives on these and it just digs in and creates a path. So they never become a good driving surface. They're pretty, but not good for a roadway. Smaller jaggeds lock in better. Here's what happens when you use round stones. You can take patio bricks and you can lay them in the stones to give you something a little more decent to drive your golf cart on. At my friend Walt's house, and you can see the stones are round. So when he drives on them, his cart's shimming around. They're not going to compact and make a nice roadway for him to pull his golf cart in his driveway. So the word of the day is, use smaller, sharper, jagged stones. They'll lock together and actually make a road bed so you drive your golf cart on it. You won't be sliding around or making a mess out of them every time you drive on them.